we're starting. Please, your undivided attention. Stay in the field. So stay. Sounds like a command, yes? I think you're going to have to write really pretty small for it to fit. Mane, nice job. Now, because manere is a second conjugation verb, I want a long mark over the E, yes? Over the E, mane. Now, in the field, in can be followed by the accusative if it means into, or it can be followed by the ablative if it means in. So which one is it? Ablative, good. In. Ro. Ooh, good job. And a long mark over there. Excellent. Ooh, nice handwriting. Okay, scintilla. Now, if you're speaking to somebody whose name ends in us, it's going to change. Quinte. But this person's name is not end in us, so scintilla. Right, it looks nominative. Good job.
Why is it agro?
Why is it agro? Just a half a second, guys. Question, half a second, please. The question was, why is it agro? Because in can be followed by the accusative, but that's when it means into. When it means in, as in inside of, it is followed by the ablative. Agro.
But isn't that? Okay.
Yeah, good.
Right.
Okay, scintilla and help me. Now you have two choices for and. I don't think it matters which one you use. You could say et, or you could say me, que. Et is fine. Excellent. And we want a long mark over that E. Good. And then we have the verb. Now, ooh, do you want to erase it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. You can erase it now. Yep. Okay, now let me put it back to writing. Okay, go ahead. Good. And now, sounds like a command, doesn't it? Help? Help me?
Yes.
Help me? Did we see Night of the Living Dead? Someone made your honey. No, we didn't. Okay. So the command form, what does it look like? The infinitive without the RE. You are. Good. You got it. Just put a long mark over the A. Good job. Okay, and help me. Now, but, that's a vocabulary matter. What is it? Good job. Somebody said it? Said. Okay, now, listen. If I see Horatiam, what case is that? If I kick Horatiam, what case is that? Accusative. Good. No, I wouldn't kick Horatiam. Yeah, so mitere is send, so get rid of the RE, and you have mite. Now, it could be mite, or it could be remite. Since we have back in the English, we probably want remite.
Why mite?
Either remite or mite. Send back or send.
Yeah, but why mite, not me?
Ooh, because it's a command. Sit, sede, sit, mite, send. Sure. But resend Horatiam, right, in the accusative. And then home is a phrase. You just learn it as a phrase, domum. Nice handwriting. Good job. Do you have an aunt you can send this to?
Yeah.
Will she watch it?
No.
Okay, excellent. Okay, let me pause it. We'll get somebody else. Good job. Okay, before we go on to number 2, there was a question about number 1, and scintilla. The question was, what case is that? It looks like nominative, but it's not nominative, right? It is, in fact, vocative. That's the case you use when you're speaking to somebody. Horatia, they're coming for you, Horatia. That's vocative. Now, it usually looks like nominative unless the person's name ends in us or ius, in which case it's quinte, prote veniunt quinte, they're coming for you, right? But otherwise, it usually looks like nominative, but we're not going to call it that. Okay? Does that make sense, Tommy?
Yeah.
Okay, so number 2. Don't send. Now here you might change it in your head to be unwilling to send, which is what you have, I believe. So I think yours is right. Yeah, the way the Romans say don't do something, they say be unwilling to do something. That's not the way we say it in English, so don't translate it that way, but I just want you to be aware. Yeah, very good. No limitere. Excellent. Don't send me. Now we want a me. How do you say me, anybody, in Latin? May. M-E with a long mark. Good job. And now home is just a lexical issue. How do you say it? Domum. Good. And put a semicolon there. Excellent. Nice. Nice handwriting. Now hold on. Shh, shh, shh. I thought you don't learn script anymore in school. It's not? Yeah, it is.
It's like a
Oh, it's a
mix.
mix, yeah. Okay, just one minor thing, actually not a minor thing at all, it's very good. If you put remite, I think that would also be correct. I think probably either one is right in this context. Don't send me home, don't send me back home. I'm not sure which one the others wanted. Yes?
So I have two questions. For noli, why is not nolite?
Well, that's a question, how many people do you think you're addressing in the sentence? I think the sentence is unclear. Wait, let's go back to question number one. Stay in the field. I don't know the context. How many people are you speaking to? I don't know. Pick. If you think you're speaking to one person, you say noli mitere. If you think you're speaking to more than one person, nolite. But I will say both answers are correct. Either answer is correct.
Okay, and also, why is it meter and mite?
Oh, that's a really fantastic question. Hold on, please, Safi. That's a really good question. Why isn't it mite? You might expect the Romans to have said non mite, don't send. In other words, use the imperative and stick non in front of it. For some reason, they didn't do that. Instead, they use a different phraseology, and they say, be unwilling to send. Right? So literally, they're saying something different. They're saying, be unwilling to send, and that's why you have the infinitive, because it literally says something different. However, that is the way the Romans said, don't, and you should translate it. Don't translate that. If you're looking at Latin, if you're looking at what she wrote, don't say, be unwilling to send me home. That's not really the best translation. Better would be, don't send me home. Yes?
That's only when it's in order, otherwise it's not.
Correct. This is the way the Romans gave a negative order, in order to not do something.
So you can't say no mite.
You don't say non, they didn't say non mite. Correct. Yes?
And something I think that is if it's more than one thing, noli, is it say the same or does it change?
If you're speaking to more than one person, say nolite. Nolite ludere pueri. Don't play, boys. Okay. I want. So now this is really I desire. We haven't learned I want yet, but we learned I desire. Excellent. I desire to stay. Just a half a second, Tony. Now, half a second, please. To stay, good. Now listen to my pronunciation. Manere. Manere. Excellent. I desire to stay. And now here, I'm going to say this in English. And to work. I desire to stay and to work, which is not quite what the English said, but that's how the Latin works. Now we have two ways to say and. You could have said at, or because it's pairs of things, work and stay and work, you could have said laborare que. Oops. Sorry. Elaborare. Listen to my pronunciation. Laborare. Laborare. Are. Good. Cum, just half a second, let's finish it, and there's a couple questions. With mother now, which, cum governs which case? Ablative. So make sure it's matre, yes? Excellent. And there's no long mark over that E. The first and second declension have long marks in the ablative singular. The third declension does not. So put a period, and it's really amazing job. Good job. Ah!
Oh my goodness.
What was that? Okay, excellent. And questions about this? Yes, Kelly.
How do you know what form of the verb to use?
Yeah,
Oh, because it would have been more helpful if the authors had said, if the author said this, would you have gotten it? I desire to stay. Would you have seen why it's infinitive? Because the Latin is more literally, I desire to stay and to work. I desire to work. If the English should have said, I desire to work. And then you would understand it, yes?
When it says to work,
You use the infinitive, right. I desire to stay and to work. Would you have got, that would have been no problem for you, yes? Okay, good. Okay, we're back on YouTube. Okay, shh, 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 shh. Okay, so and so, take the and so together as a phrase, right? Itakwe, good job. Ooh, what happened? I messed something up. Maybe, oh, my mouse? Oh, I need to move my mouse. Wait, hold on. First of all, let me erase that. Now try it, maybe with my mouse out of the way. What's going on?
Your hand is on the board, such.
but it's not touching.
Okay, wait, let's erase that. Hold on, wait.
I know how to do it now. This works.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, so, and so. Oh, you're going to have to write smaller than that. Itakwe, good. And so, I think the best thing here is just to say omnes. All. If you want to say they all, you can say ili omnes, that's fine. Well, go ahead, Tommy.
Which form of omnes do you use?
Well, is it the subject, is it the object, is it the prepositional phrase? All stay.
It's a subject.
Is subject therefore?
Therefore, it's
Nominative. Good. Yes, go ahead.
Oh, never mind.
We only said, or I only said manen. I didn't say omnes.
That's actually good Latin. They stay. That's good Latin, but it's not exactly what they asked for. They asked for all stay, which would have been omnes. But that is good Latin. If you just said itakwe manen, that means they stay. It's good.
I think so.
And again, all of these, hold on, John, please. All of these sentences seem to be pairs of things, which means you could have used que instead of and. I think either one would be right. But and is fine. At is fine.
Well, when we use
Que is often used when it's pairs of things. So pairs of nouns or pairs of clauses.
no, I'm like in the syntax, like.
Oh, it would have then say laborare que. Or you could say laborant, sorry. Laborant que. But she has et laborant, which is perfectly fine. Excellent, good. In the field now, in can govern the accusative when it means into, but when it means in, what case does it govern? When it means in as in inside, ablative. Ooh, you got too close to the Okay. Okay. In agro. Ooh, we just not east but in. So let's erase that. Wait 1 second. Oh wait. Let me do it. Okay, go ahead. Okay, now let me change it back to a pen and go ahead. Okay, good job. Any questions? That was perfect. Good job.
How come is it?
Any questions? Hold on. Go ahead, please.
Why is it ag? Oh, so that one.
Why is it ablative? Because it means in, not into. Okay, we're back, please. You don't want your aunts to hear you, making a ruckus.
Making a reset.
Yeah. Okay. And go ahead. Quintus. Now, he's the subject, so he's going to be what case? What happened?
You spelled Quintus wrong.
Whoa! Quintus. Ubi.
You can do it yourself.
Knock it out, please.
Yeah, I know.
Ah.
So I'll start over. Start over.
Uber red.
Erase the whole thing.
Okay.
There's the whole thing.
Okay.
Very small.
Okay. Shh, 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 shh. Quintus. Now, when is, what's the word for when? Well, Taya just don't worry about it. Just write anything. Yeah, good.
Just type in so you keep. Let's see.
Because this is more fun.
Okay.
And then your aunt can't see your handwriting on YouTube. I mean, she won't watch me typing on YouTube. Here's my teacher typing on YouTube. No one's going to watch that.
Mariana's gonna watch this.
If you can you send me her email address and I'll send it to her. No, okay. From school, good, good. Now hold on. I'm sorry, I got distracted. From school is ablative. Why? Because ob governs the ablative case. Good job. Quintus, when he returns from school, hurries. So keep going. Go ahead. Good. Wait. Shh. Oh, don't give up. Quintus hurries. Festino, I hurry. Festinas, you hurry. Festinat, he hurries. Yes? Is Quintus an I or you or a he? A he. So what should it be? Festinat. So you understood that, yeah? Okay, but don't say you don't get it. You get it. Festinat, he hurries. Yeah. Ad agrum, to the field. Good job. Okay, now you might have said, I think an equally good answer would have been in agrum, into the field, but that's not what the authors asked for. But either one is correct Latin. Okay? Any questions? Okay, awesome, good.